Hello guys, good morning. Shazad again from Seal UK Limited. Today I want to show you how Pyronix Kit 1 alarm system, how on and off with the remote control. And if you on the alarm with your keypad, and then you can off the alarm with fob key. Let me start. Already I done the programming, and if you see my all video, you can see how programming the sensors and fob key all is in the video. Okay, today just want to show you how alarm on and off. Okay, when we go out, the default code is alarm is 222. Then press yes. So door open, door close. The one bleep. Okay, now alarm is set. Okay, so as you come back from outside, door open. Okay, door close. Then right, and one more thing I want to show you. If you go from the if you use our keypad, for example, so if you, when you're using the code, press yes, you go out, door close, one bleep, alarm set. So like when you come back, for example, so you put the code, you see the code is not working because you need to, sometimes the panel is the restriction is off, sometimes the restriction is on. At the moment restriction is on, I need to off. In the meantime I off the alarm with the fob key. So what you do, how you restriction is off, you need to go to engineering mode and go to side option. Okay, so 1 2 1, then press no button, key press no button, and go to side option, system option, I think, yes, system option, and then press yes, then go side option, yes, then please press, then just see the restriction. Okay, okay, this there is a restriction pin use, yes, so you need to press no, press 0, then press no, or from the engineering mode. Now you go to press A, right, so now you try the code, press A, so you're going out, door is open, door is closed, one bleep, alarm set, you come back from outside, door is open, now you try to put the code. Okay, so now alarm is set. Okay, so this is very important. So now I'll be try with the both side on the alarm. Okay, door is open, door is closed, one bleep, alarm set, you come back. Okay, so now you can off with the fob key. Okay, that's it. So this is the way programming the how you on the alarm with the fob key, and you can use a keypad. If the keypad code not working, so what do you need to do? So you need to go to system option, side options, and go to section pin. If is 1 is on, make to 0, then your keypad also is working. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.